Hey there, are you feeling curious about crypto? You've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about crypto IRAs, which we just so happen to offer here at iTrustCapital. A crypto IRA is an individual retirement account that contains alternative assets, namely cryptocurrency. Traditional Roth and SEP IRAs can all be crypto IRAs. A crypto IRA merely refers to the type of investment asset that the account is transacting in. A crypto IRA can be used to buy and sell cryptocurrency assets within a tax-advantaged account, which means all transactions made within the account are tax-free while the funds remain in the IRA. When distributions are taken, if you're the age dictated by IRS guidelines, the funds will be subject to federal income tax if you have a traditional IRA. If you have a Roth IRA, you're of the age dictated by the IRS, and you've held the account for at least 5 years, the funds may not be subject to any federal income tax, as your contributions were post-tax dollars. Pretty exciting, right? Plus, with an iTrustCapital account, your crypto IRA is secured with institutional storage solutions, not to mention the super low fees. Did we mention it costs nothing to maintain an account? That's right. The only fees are transaction fees, and ours are some of the lowest in the industry at just 1%. If you're interested in a crypto IRA, head over to iTrustCapital.com and check it out. That's all for today. We'll see you next time.